大家好，今天我们一起来看另外12个汉字。Hello everyone, today let's look at another 12 Chinese character. The first one today is 学, and its basic meaning is study. And learned, it can use as a verb, 学. So here the first word, 同学means classmate. Actually, 同 means same or together. So 同学 it just means the one that you learn together, so you study together. So 同学 means the classmate. 同学 here 学生生 we have learned this. It's just a suffix to explain or mean or guide. So 学生 means the one that is learning, is study. So 学生 student. 学习 here also can use as a verb, learn and study. 学习 is a verb, means study and learn. Here is a sentence. 你喜欢学习汉语吗？喜欢 means like. 学习 study and learn 汉语 Chinese. So 你喜欢学习汉语吗？ Do you like learning Chinese? And the next one, 学校 means school. 学校 it's a noun, means school. Okay, now let's try to write 学 together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 学 have 8 strokes. 学 the next one is 都 it have 2 meanings. The first one means all, so use as adverb. 我们都来了 Here 我们 means we, 都 all, 来 means come. We all come. 我们都来了 And the next one, it also can use as already, also a adverb. 现在都3点了 Now it's 3 o'clock already. So 现在 means now or the current. 都 means already here. 3点 means 3 o'clock. So 现在都3点了 Now it is already 3 o'clock. So let's try to write 都 together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 都 have 10 stroke. The next one 同 and I just say that 同 is the original meaning is same and together. 同 So 同样 means same and likewise. It used as an adverb. 样 means the shape or the mold. 同样 means the same shape, so the same, the likewise. 同学 I have to say that right. 同学 means study, so you study together is the student. 同学 Let's try to write 同 together. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 同 have 6 strokes. Next one. The next character is 现. Its meaning is now or current or at present. So 现在 it's used as a noun, so it just means now. And 现在是12点 Now 是 means is 12 o'clock. 点 means o'clock, right? 现金 means the cash. Here 现 means current. 金 means the gold. So 现金 means the current gold. It means the currency or the cash. Cash 现金. Now let's write 现 together. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。So 线 have 8 strokes. 它有8画。Next one is 眉。眉 its meaning is without or not have. 没 so 我家里没人。我 means I, 家 means my home, is nobody at home. Or my home is nobody inside. 里 here means the inside, right? 没人 means without anyone, do not have anyone. So let's try to write 没. Its radical is the water-related radical. 三点水 three dots of water. 三点水 so 1、2、3. Okay, let's write this. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. So 眉 have 7 strokes. 眉. The next one is 面. 面. It has two meanings. The first is used as a noodle. So 面条is actually the noodle. 面条. And 方便面 means the instant noodle. 方便 in Chinese means the convenient. So the noodle that is very convenient is the instant noodle. 方便面. And the next meaning you can use as a side or direction indicates the direction. So 后面 means the back side, right? So it means at the back or behind. 后面 and 前面 前 means before or in front. 前面 so it will indicate that that side or that direction means in front of or before. 前面. Okay, now let's try to write 面 together. Mm. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9. So 面 have 9 strokes. You should pay attention. Here we have 2 strokes inside. So pay attention to this. And the next character. The next one is 起. 起. It has the meaning of rise or stand up. 站起来 stand up. Go up. Begin. Okay, the first one 起床 means get up. So 床 means the bed. So you stand up the bed, right? You stand up the bed. So you get up. 起来means stand up, used as a verb. Stand up. 升起 means rise up. 起 here means rise, and 升 also means rise. So 升起 used as a verb, rise up. Okay, now let's try to write 起 together. Also the radical is 走. It's the walk related radical. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. So 起 have 10 strokes. 10画。The next one is 看 and it has the meaning of look and see, watch, or read. So 看见 means see. 见 also has the meaning of see. So 看见 see. And 看电视 here 电视 means the television, TV. So 看电视 means watch TV. The next one 看书 means book. So 看书 means read a book. Okay, now let's try to write 看. And its radical is 目. It means the eye-related radical. So you use your eyes to look, to see, right? So its radical is the eye-related. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 看 have 9 strokes. And the next one is 天 It's a very simple character. It just means the day or the sky. 天 And you have the 3 words here. 昨天 means yesterday. So 天 here means day. 明天 means tomorrow. 明 actually means the next, though the next day is tomorrow. 今天 means today. 今 actually means now. So the now day or the present state is the today, right? 今天 And when you say 天气 means the weather. 天气 Okay, now let's try to write 天 together. One, 2, 3, 4. So 天 have 4 strokes. 天 And next one is 分. It means divide. The basic meaning, the first meaning is divide, used as a verb, divide. And the next meaning is small unit of time. So we can see here, and the radical of this character is dao. So we use the knife to divide something, right? So 分 have the meaning of divide. 分开means separate. 开 means open or separate. So 分开 means the separate. And next one, 分钟means the minute. Here 分 is the minute. So it's the unit of time here. 分钟 Okay, let's write it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 分 only have 4 strokes. 四画. The next one, 好. It's also very commonly used, and it has the meaning of good, excellent, fine, and well. Okay, 今天天气很好. So you have learned 今天 is today. 天气 right? Weather. 很 very 好 very good. Very well. So 今天天气很好. Today's weather is very good. So 好 also can use as an adverb. Here means 你的衣服好漂亮啊. So 你的衣服 means your clothing. 好 means very. 漂亮 漂亮 means pretty or beautiful. 你的衣服好漂亮啊 means your clothing is very pretty. Okay, now let's try to write 好. And it's a left and right structure, and the radical is 女 So it's a woman-related radical. 1、2、3、4、5、6. So 好 have 6 strokes. Actually, if you look into it, you can see here it's like the girl, and here it's a boy. 子 right? 子 is the son, so it's the boy. In the Chinese culture, if the family have a boy and a girl, well, it's very good. 这个很好 So 好 it's a boy, it's a girl and a boy. The last one today is 小. It means small or little. Very simple. It's an adjective. So 这个苹果太小了。这个 this apple is too small. Too small. 太小了。And we also have the word 小姐. 小姐 means miss. And now in the website, it's a very popular usage 小姐姐. And it means that the girl is very young and very pretty. So 小姐姐. And 小哥哥. 哥哥 here means the brother. And 小哥哥 means the boy is very handsome and very young. So let's write 小 together. 1、2、3. So you only have 3 strokes. Okay, that's all of today's 12 characters. Hope that you have learned it and follow with me. So see you next video. Bye bye.